Hello and welcome to the very first lecture of the OpenClaw course. I am really glad you are here. Before we install anything, before we touch a config file or open a chat app, I want to make sure you and I are on the same page about what OpenClaw actually is. Because there is a lot of vibes marketing in the AI agent space right now, a lot of it. And OpenClaw honestly does not really play in that space. So here is the simplest way I can put it. OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant. You run it on your own devices, and it answers you on the channels you already use. That is it. That is the whole pitch. That is the whole product. Three nouns. Just three. Gateway. Agents, channels. Once you have those three words sitting in your head, the rest of the course is just learning what each one does in more detail. That is really all it is. So let us take them one at a time. The gateway. The gateway is a long-running process. It is built on Node and it runs on your laptop, your Mac Mini, your Linux box, your VPS, wherever you want to put it. It listens on port 18789 by default, and it reads one configuration file from your home directory. That file is called OpenClaw.json. It is written in a relaxed flavor of JSON called JSON5, which lets you use comments and trailing commas. Genuinely nice. Trust me, you will appreciate that later. The gateway is the whole control plane. Everything else, every other piece you will learn about attaches to it. Okay. Next one. Agents. Agents are personas. Each one is just a folder with a handful of markdown files in it. The persona file is called soul.md. The rules file is called agents.md, that is plural, with an S on the end. There is a user file, an identity file, a few others, but those three are the ones we really care about for now. And do not worry, we are going to go deep, really deep, on agents in module 4. And then channels. Channels are where the messages come from. Discord, Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp, iMessage, Signal, Matrix, Microsoft Teams, Zalo, WebChat, plus a long list of others through plugins. And here is the thing. The whole reason OpenClaw exists, the actual point of the project, is that you do not have to write your own bot for each one of those platforms. You wire up the channel once, you point it at an agent, you are done. Alright. So now, what it is not. Three things I want to clear up right now early, because these come up over and over again. Number one, it is not a hosted service. There is no OpenClaw.ai login that runs your agent for you somewhere in the cloud. No. You install the gateway, you run it, you own the data. If your laptop is off, your agent is off. That is the trade. Number two, it is not a marketplace. You are going to hear me mention a registry called ClawHub later in the course. That is where skills and plugins live, and it is free. There is no token, there is no crypto, there is no money in it, just packages. That is it. Number three, it is not a chatbot. Not really. The agent inside OpenClaw runs on a coding agent model from a provider you choose. Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, whoever you point it at with your own API key. OpenClaw is the layer in the middle. It connects messaging surfaces to that model and gives it memory, channels, tools, and a schedule. So that is the whole picture. Self-hosted gateway, agents in folders, messaging channels coming in. Bring your own API key. MIT licensed. Runs on anything that runs Node 24 or Node 22.14 and above on the long-term support line. Alright, in the next lesson, we are going to look at how those three nouns, gateway, agents, channels, fit together. I will see you there.